Hello from my food forest. It is beautiful autumn morning here in Pacific Heaven in Queensland, Australia. One of those beautiful subtropical autumn mornings. So finally, after all the summer heat and humid, we got a beautiful mornings and evenings. During the day it's still pretty hot, but well, it's good. We still have some rain from time to time and everything is growing beautifully. So today I wanted to show you some highlights, what is happening here, and let's get straight into it. Oh, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below, as I would love to hear from you. So hope you enjoy. Let's start just here at the beginning, where the purple yam is going crazy, along with some other plants and self-seeded here, the blue pigeon wings, and some other plants, elderberry in between, everything all together. This is here located in just next to my little nursery, where I am propagating and growing all the little cuties for you and for myself, for the food forest and for the online shop. And while talking about my little nursery here, I would like to thank everyone who already supported me and ordered some plants and seeds. So thank you very much. Every single order is always very much appreciated. More and more will be available. I don't have much space here in the nursery. Maybe we will expand a little, but we will see how we go. Panama berry is still fruiting, still flowering all the time. We have a few dragon fruits. This is the third crop actually, but only a few, and they don't seem very happy anymore. Maybe the fruit will be still fine, but we will see how we go. Let's get around the Panama tree that grew like crazy here. So everywhere turmeric. All the plants enjoying the beautiful weather we have. So this summer we have been really lucky with the rain again. I didn't complain last summer either. So everything is going really good. I've been doing lots of chop and drop, harvest, the beautiful cranberry hibiscus, for example, for tea, and also as a mulch because it's growing crazy. So making space for the others to expand. The Roella, we are still waiting for mature calyx, the fruits, but it gone nuts. Only 5 little plants I put in, and yeah, it grown beautifully. We can see some flowers in here. Beautiful flowers. And thousands of little calyx, little fruits. I will have to make my way into the middle of it somehow within the next few days, because we have some ripe fruit as well in there. Look at it. So the first fruit is available. Very nice. In between we have tromboncino and some winged beans that got through from the other end, from the raised garden beds. We will go there shortly. The finger lime got new growth and lots of it. Ceylon hill gooseberries still fruiting. Here along the fence line we've got again lots of turmeric, all the fruit trees and fruiting bushes growing nicely. The white sapoti got new growth, looking really cute. The 2-year-old pumpkin started again a new growth, so I will leave it again here. Here an accident, what I just noticed. The cooking bananas, the plantain bananas. So one just broke with the fruit. So we'll have to harvest. And it's not that bad. Actually, they are the plantains, so we will use them for chips. Or I will make some flour. We'll see how we go. So this will be my next to-do job. So let's move on. Yeah, the acerola cherry, little bush, it's flowering again. This little baby, we already had 2 fruit. We have a second one that it's got some flowers too. So they look so tiny. We will see how they go. Banana grass looking nicely. So everything is like recovering after the hot summer, I would say. I can see lots and lots of new growth. During the hot temperatures, hot days and humid days, they like took a break. I've got 3 new blueberry shrubs, bushes that I got from my lovely friend. So just planted them 2 days ago. So this is my blueberry station. Space where I need to take care about, you can see. Limes are doing very well. I really hope, I've heard lots of people having here in Queensland having a problem with the fruit stinging moth, but I really hope until our fruit starts to ripen the moth will be gone. I haven't seen any damage so far. Kumquat growing nicely. Let's go to the ruby red grapefruit. I'm starting to get worried because the branches are hanging down already. Look at it. The fruit tree is loaded. lots of fruit everywhere. I will have to think about maybe some support for them. But looking forward to the fruit actually. And we will have some pomelo, but before I go there, I will just show you quickly around from this side of the fruit forest. All the trees are growing really nicely. Wumpy got lots and lots of new growth on the branches, so I will probably cut the tops. No fruit this season, but the pomelo cutie got, I think, 4 or 5 fruit for the very first time, so good news. My newly planted Maya lemon, the lemons are still on, 3 of them. The tree is suffering a little bit because something is chewing on it. Mugwort needs trimming as well. Locust always happy with new growth and new flowers. Passion fruit growing on the elderberry tree. So this is a good team, these two. And along the fence line here on the fence. So it's getting wild in here. Lots and lots and lots of mandarins that I really hope that we will get to enjoy. Still a long way to go, but we have hundreds on the fruit this season. And let's move on to the garden beds. So already planted the first bed with the winter crop. So I've got some little celery seedlings there, tomatoes, and 2 different kind of radish. This is the daikon radish, growing beautifully, and this is the normal regular round red radish that just sprouted, and everything is looking good. So there are 2 other beds that are still empty, waiting for the new planting, but I already prepared them, so it's all done and waiting. And this is still the summer collection in here. Basically the winged beans, and the tromboncino. I only have 2 plants this season, and they are going pretty well. It is enough for us to eat. But somehow, actually, this is the very first, look at them, how long they are, actually. This will be 1.2, at least 1.2 meters. But only this one started to build some seed in there, because the seeds are sitting only here at the very low end. All of them till now end up like this. We can still eat the fruit, but they didn't build any seeds. I'm not sure why. This is some phenomenon of this season. So we still have quite few. But not many this year. So this is the tromboncino, and similar, basically similar eating like zucchini when still young, and when they get really ripe and yellow, and the skin get yellowish, thick and dry, so it can be stored like and eaten like a pumpkin. If you don't know yet the tromboncino, but it's one of my favorite veggies, and our animals love it too. And here everywhere you can see in the food forest now the Egyptian spinach, very nice leaves, can be added to salads, on sandwiches. I really love Egyptian spinach. The leaves taste a little bit like of nutty, got nutty taste. Here are the flowers, and there will be some seeds available soon as well. So you can plan for next season. Very yummy. Okay guys, I will now harvest some of the winged beans. We'll also harvest the long tromboncino. That's the update on this food forest. I will make next time the other one. And a look around. Let's have a look at the eggplant. How is it doing? Oh, look at it, little pumpkins. Yeah, this is also one of my favorites. I call it white pumpkin, white eggplant. It's very soft, not bitter at all, and I will have some seeds available from the ripe ones soon. Wish you all the best with your gardens, with all your projects, and I hope I will see you next time. Bye bye.